So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony all up and down a city street, while trying to put my mind at ease, like finishing this melody. This feels like a necessity, so this could be the death of me, or maybe just a better me. Now come in with the Tiffany's and take a shot of Hennessy. I know I'm not there mentally, but you could be the remedy, so let me play my violin for you.
God, fuck that. Nope, never again.